As part of the 2019 calendar year, we put together a few different incentive programs for our customers. Some of these include a maintenance program for any units that are sold this year. So by the end of 2019, if you buy a machine from JAPA, you can bring it back to our shop when you're done with it at the end of the construction season, and we will run through it. We'll do a full inspection, do a service, and then we are offering any wear parts at a 20% discount, and labor is included. So it's a pretty big bonus package for any units that are sold. Eases up and gets your service for the winter on its way.
End of the year services at JAPA, we can go through any piece of equipment. If you've got graders that are working in wintertime, you've got wheel loaders that are working in wintertime, we can have them already. Big excavators for pipeline jobs, winter oils, ice slugging for excavators. We can do all that stuff in shop here. And one of the benefits for us to be able to do it is we're an authorized Cummins dealer, so we have access to good coolant prices, filter prices. We have access to hydraulic tank heaters and air heaters through Cummins. So it's kind of like a one-stop shop. You're able to kind of get the stuff, you can get all that stuff, you can get the service done, and it can be done right here.
With regards to the end of the year maintenance, we have a number of customers who bring all their equipment over to us and to get it ready for springtime when they start working again. Yeah, we go through all the fluids, we go through the hours to see if anything needs to be changed. Any small repairs or any large repairs, we usually do up a quote, let the customer know, and they give us the okay. And yeah, we go through all the engine oils, hydraulic oils, final drive oils, differential oils, anything really, all the oils, and the coolant as well.
We will service anything, any brand, anything, as long as it's got an engine. Our shop, you can bring it to our shop this winter, and we will go through it, do an inspection, give you back an inspection sheet. We will service everything, and it's a very big value-added process.